Let's go.
It looks like I gotta clean your seat later. You don't push them up. Lower your hands, lower your expectations as well. Come all the way forward, folks. Right up here. Right over here, friends. Thank you. Yep, come on board. Watch your head, watch your step. Use those. See you in 3 weeks. I'm kidding. You'll never see any of those people ever again. Hello, friends, and welcome on board the Kiss Me K. My name's Emily. I'll be your skipper, your tour guide, and hopefully not your instructor or your hip wrestler. For your safety, please keep all hands, arms, fingers, head, shoulders, knees, toes, feet and legs inside the boat at all times. Remain seated watching your children. Alrighty, folks. Are you all ready for our very first signs of danger? There it is. Right over there. Plenty of danger. Just up ahead here is the Temple of Forbidden Eye, folks. The most recent dig done by famed archaeologist Dr. Indiana Jones, where he's after the world's greatest treasure. Yeah, I'm standing over here. He's wasting a lot of time. He actually asked me to work over there, but sadly I didn't want to see the career in ruins. For the personal life's for. But this here is a Himalayan tiger because sometimes Himalayan over there, sometimes Himalayan over there, but him is standing up on that rock today. Now looks like we've got 3 cobras up on that rock, folks. And there was 4. Don't quite know where the 4th one is. Oh my goodness! I'm just kidding. It's nowhere to be found. That should be even scarier. There's some concrete evidence that you'll see elephants today, folks. It's really something you don't see every day. I do. Moving on. This here is a secret Indian elephant bathing pool where Indian elephants like to come and bathe secretly in this pool. Please take all the pictures and videos that you would like. They all have their trunks on, so it won't be weird. However, if you get any pictures or videos of me, just avoid telling my mom. She actually thinks I'm a lawyer. I didn't have this. This here is a baby elephant. They're incredible. They can grow up to 4 feet. Humans grow up to 2. It's called the agony of defeat. Oh, hey there, Squirt. Oh, Squirt, don't squirt the boat, please. I just had it detailed. Squirt the people. Everybody duck, 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 duck it. Don't worry, that's just some dry humor. I would never dream of putting you in any serious danger, folks. I'm a licensed professional. I got my license out of a Cracker Jack box this morning about 3 hours ago. Guys are great heads. Yeah. Oh. Okay, this is dangerous. Let's get closer, folks. Looks like a family of gorillas got taken over the camp today. They found out absolutely completely bananas, if you ask me. Funny story, I have a situation trying to remind you of in-law. Now, the one holding a gun reminds you of an outlaw. For those of you who don't already know the difference between an in-law and an outlaw, always remember, outlaws are wanted. Now, if you direct your attention to the very front of the boat, you will see the most beautiful wonder in the entire world. Hello, my name is Emily. We met about 3.5 minutes ago. Behind me is just Spicer Falls, discovered by our very own founder, Dr. Albert. Falls, don't worry, those friends, we will be going over it later. All together. Well, folks, what we have here, looks like we just turned down the Nile River as it was way too loud before this. It goes on for miles and miles and miles, and if you don't believe me, friends, well then most likely you are in...
Not denial.
To the boat, yes. This here is Bobo, the amazing African elephant. He can speak up to 3. I repeat, 3 languages. Watch this. Bobo, speak French. And now Portuguese. One more time in Spanish. That was wicked rude. Let's get out of here. I have no idea what he said. I don't speak Spanish. Oh, what do we have here, folks? It looks like the African belt, currently holding up the African pants. Mine were made in Taiwan, I think, so. Oh, we have gazelles, zebras, wildebeest, giraffes, and oh, look, those lions are taking care of that sleeping zebra. Aww. Yeah, he's dead. Tired, dead tired. Don't worry, let him rest in peace. Hey, Skipper Felix! Folks, well, you know, I heard Skipper Felix and his band were out looking for a new drum section today. Looks like they found horns. Oh dear. Over there. Well, folks, looks like we have taken a wrong turn here, and I think it's an appropriate time to tell you that it's my first day. Yes. Oh, look at this. We have entered this is an angry hippopotami. Well, folks, don't worry though. I hear that when they wiggle their ears and blow bubbles, they will start charging. But they only take cash. I don't have any cash. Cover your ears, I'll scare them off. Ooh, that was a close one, folks. Look at that. Nearly scared them stiff. They are bewildered and beguiled at the fact that I Finish hippo shot I missed, folks. Yeah, look, oh, this here was Skipper Felix's boat, you know. But it looks like an absolute chimp wreck now. You know, some people say my job is so easy, they think even monkeys can do it. Joke's on them. Clearly these are apes. The difference between a monkey and an ape is a really long tail. No, that's the only difference. Look, his sign says Nikon. Hey, Emily. Nice to meet you. If anyone's looking to purchase a boat, I believe this one's 25% off now. Today only, though. I think we're going to get this out of here. We don't need the evidence. Just inquire with me after the cruise, okay? Alright, folks, we are headed just around the river bend. Oh, look at that. It looks like another ape got into our shipment of butterflies. Oh, and that must be his girlfriend. As you can tell, all the butterflies that they have for one another, folks. Aren't they a couple of love bugs? Aww. You know, friends, I gotta say, personally, I can never really see myself getting into butterflies. They just are not what they used to be. Yeah, caterpillars. Well, folks, this here is the moment you have all waited for. It's the one and only. It is the eighth wonder of the world. Please give it up for the stupendous backside of water! And the less exciting front side of rock. Woo! Oh, look ahead on your left. You thought that was cool. Look. Ahead to my right. There it goes. Well, friends, you know, some of the locals tell me here in the Amazon River is a great fishing spot. They say the fish out here are always biting. Let's see what we can find. Okay, I've got some scary bubbles happening off to my right-hand side. Folks, it looks like these fish are one too many bean and cheese burritos from Rancho del Zocalo. Let's go there. And I know that last joke really stunk, huh?
No.
Just up there in that tree is a snake. Now, can any of you tell me what kind of snake that is? Actually, just a polyfiber plastic with a little bit of spackle and paint. Yeah, that's the kind of snake. We call it a wow. Yeah. This here is formerly our lost and found, but is now our gift shop. We decided to resell all of your items. This here is Ellie. If you think that's water coming out of her trunk, it's not. Yeah, it's not water. She loves to be a little bugger, folks. She can really blow it when she gets the chance. Looks like we are now returning to civilization as we know it, folks. So please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times and away from the dock. Don't want to get you between the dock and a hard place. That could cause peer pressure and could hurt the dock. I do mean that, though, every time I get paid to say it. You've all been absolutely outstanding, and now I will need you all outstanding pretty much anywhere else as soon as we approach the dock. Kids. Yeah, they're there again. If you enjoyed your cruise today, my name has been Skipper Emily. That is spelled HELPME exclamation point. However, if you did not enjoy your cruise today, then my name is irrelevant, spelled I-R-R, elephant. We are almost a family. And I gotta say, family never, ever, ever says goodbye. Get out. That was so rude of me, please. Get out now. So decide to exit out, look at the back door the same way you enter, pushing and shoving the people in front of you. Do not cross over the center of access, are there for your safety, but also your inconvenience. Watch your head, watch your step, and please use those handrails.